All right, we're going to talk about this problem, and I'm going to model how you would solve a problem like this. And first, I'm going to start off by reading this for you guys. The WeHaul Shipping Company is tracking the number of miles each of their drivers has traveled this year. Which is a list of the drivers in order from greatest miles to least? So I want to go from biggest to smallest. Juan has driven 394,502. Matthew has driven 394,205. Carol has driven 425,093. And Paul has driven 288,019. So I'm going to plug these numbers into my place value chart because that's really important when we're deciding which number is greater or less than. So I'm going to plug this first number in. And if you're worried you're going to get the numbers wrong, start plugging in the number from the ones place value. 425,093, 288,019. All right. And remember, we're looking for the greatest to least. Okay. So, and because I've already looked at my answer choices, our answer choices don't have the numbers. Our answer choices are the names of the drivers who drove that amount of miles. So to help me out, I'm going to put a little Q here, an M here for Matthew, a Q for Juan, a C for Carol, and a P for Paul. I'm going to put those here so it helps me remember when I'm listing out the names from greatest to least. Greatest to least. So here we go. Greatest. Start with my greatest place value that you have present in your number. We have a 3, a 3, a 4, and a 2. What's going to be the greatest number? Your 4. So I know that Carol, Carol drove the greatest number of miles, and I'm done with her number. Now I'm going to go to the next one. I have a 3, and a 2. 3 and 3 are going to be greater than 2, so I'm going to move to my 10,000s place. A 9 and a 9 in my 10,000s. 90,000, those are the same. I'm going to move to my thousands. 4,000 and 4,000, 4 and 4. We cannot decide yet. Need to move to my hundreds. We have a 5 and a 2. Those are different digits. 500, 200. Which one is greater? 500. So I know that Juan had the next. He's next in our ordering. And then Matthew is going to be next. And the last person is going to be Paul. So this is a strategy to help you list out, find your numbers in order, whether they're asking greatest to least or least to greatest. And then when it's asking for the names, write your names down as you go along. So then all you have to do, Carol, that starts with Matthew, so that can't be our answer. B starts with Paul, that can't be our answer. C starts with Carol. And then D also starts with Carol, but the next one is Juan. This one here should say Juan. D is your answer.